friendly reminder. Turn off the machine and unplug the power cord. Remove the magnetic shell. Unplug the heating tube line and the thermistor line. Disassemble the old Hotend kit requires removing for screws. Replaced with the new Hotend kit. Tighten the screws. Plug in the heating tube line and the thermistor line. Install the magnetic shell. Turn on the machine. Select a repair, filament, extrude. Observe if the nozzle discharge is smooth. If it is smooth, the installation is normal. Select retract and wait for the unloading to complete. Self-check. Click Prepare, Calibration, Auto Leveling, Cutter Calibration, Input Shaping. Start detecting. Waiting for the device self-test to complete.
Enter the Wiki official website to find more information.